Hi, this is Neil James back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be going into Google Maps and showing you how to add a contact onto a place. And then I'm going to select a place, so I'll just zoom in here and just pick somewhere random. So after I've done that, so Hatlesbury Lane, I'm going to click on label just there, and I'm going to I'll call this a random name. So I'll just call this like Karen's house, I think. So I'm just going to slot that in there. So after I've added in the label, I'm just going to click confirm. And that place is going to be called Karen's house from now on. So once I back out of that and click on directions, so I'm just going to go back out of this, cancel this, and actually type in Karen's house, and I'll actually give automatically that address. And that's it. So that's how you add a label or a contact to an address. So I'm just going to remove that there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.